Hello everyone, my name is Ankita. I battled, survived and reversed an incurable autoimmune condition called hidradenitis suppurativa. Global HS Awareness Week is going on, so I thought to share my experiences. Although I'm not a professional YouTuber, but I decided to create more awareness in my capacity. I was 17 to 18-year-old and I started experiencing vaginal boils, cystic acne. Misdiagnosis and misguidance kept me in dark for almost 7 years, and I was diagnosed in the year 2017. When I realized I have something incurable, it was very natural to feel overwhelmed. I was not at all ready to accept my reality and honestly felt very alone. I became toxic for myself, physically as well as mentally. I started breaking down. I experienced frequent migraines, bouts of anger, back pain, joint pain. Stress, anxiety, along with the painful wounds became the new normal. I also started with mainstream, took antibiotics, which did suppress the symptoms but never healed me. I was given painful injections and steroids without explaining why this disease happened to me and why my skin was behaving so badly. Those medicines did give me temporary relief, but HS would reoccur once I was off the medications. I did not understand the repercussions of those medicines, as I hoped qualified medical professionals would take care of me. I was 25-year-old and had very big dreams, but I could see everything falling apart. मानो रेत की तरह ना सब कुछ हाथ से छूट रहा था। बड़े बड़े सपने छोड़ो, बिना दर्द के बेड से उठ के वॉशरूम तक जाया नहीं जा रहा था। जितना कहना आसान है कि भगवान पे भरोसा रखो, पॉजिटिव रहो, उतना ही करना मुश्किल। मुझे भी बेड पे पड़े पड़े बस नेगेटिव थॉट्स ही आते थे। My parents are very innocent and they could not understand what I was going through. So even though we stayed in the same home, I would not share my pain with them. जो आप सोच सकते हो कि एक इंसान ठीक होने के लिए कर सकता है, मैंने वो सब किया। एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन्स, एंटीबायोटिक्स, स्टीरॉइड्स, होम्योपैथी, बाबा की भभूति लेना, आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर की पुड़िया लेना, यहाँ तक कि सुपरस्टिशंस भी फॉलो किए, पंडित तक को दिखाया। कोई बोलता था इस मंदिर जाके माथा टेको तो सही हो जाओगे, या उस गुरुद्वारे जाके पूजा करो सही हो जाओगे, वो भी किया, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि पता नहीं क्या चीज़ असर कर जाए। मैं कुछ भी करने के लिए रेडी थी उस दर्द से राहत पाने के लिए। मैंने अपनी ईगो को एक तरफ रख दिया था कि कुछ भी हो जाए, मुझे इस दर्द से बस बाहर निकलना है। Every medicine that has got effects will definitely have side effects. I felt as if I was going through real hell. Due to painful wounds, I was even unable to sleep. Sometimes I would just sit and sleep because I was unable to find a comfortable position to sleep, या फिर बेड पे ऐसे पीछे सहारा लगा के ऐसे करके सो जाती थी। Dermatologists were trying to treat the symptoms, but none addressed the root cause, which was leaky gut. After trying everything in the year 2018, I finally decided to self-educate myself in understanding the basics of human body so that I could heal myself internally as well as externally. This video is for fellow HS warriors. Let me tell you, you are not alone. I've lived your journey and I can empathize with your pain. Now that I've healed myself, I don't want anyone to go through those traumatic experiences. Day and night, I used to search on the internet कोई ऐसी दवाई, कोई ऐसा ऑइंटमेंट जो मुझे ठीक कर दे। धीरे धीरे मालूम पड़ा कि फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पे HS के सपोर्ट ग्रुप्स हैं, जिससे मुझे एक सपोर्ट तो मिला, बट इट अफेक्टेड मी नेगेटिवली। सब लोग अपने पेनफुल एक्सपीरियंसेस कि वो इतने साल से सफ़र करें वो डिस्कस करते थे, विच अफेक्टेड मी नेगेटिवली, एंड आई वुड थिंक जब वो लोग अपने आप को सही नहीं कर पा रहे इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग द बेस्ट रिसोर्सेज, तो मैं किस खेत की मूली हूँ। अंडरस्टैंडिंग एचएस कैन बी रियली कॉम्प्लेक्स. It's a lifestyle disease, but I was unable to understand what was wrong with my lifestyle because I never smoked, I never boozed, or even put non-veg inside my body, whereas my peer group was doing everything. HS is because your inside environment is clogged up. It is unclean. That's your second brain telling you to take action. Father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, also pointed out that most of the diseases begin with your gut. Also, Ayurveda says that 96% of the diseases begin from your gut. HS is not communicable. इनफैक्ट मेरा तो उस स्टेज में डायग्नोज हुआ था जब लिटरली मैं अपनी बाजू और लेग्स मूव नहीं कर पा रही थी. आज बाजू भी मूव कर पाती हूँ और लेग्स भी. इनफैक्ट आई पोस्ट माई डांस वीडियोज़ ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. यूजुअली जिसको एचएस होता है वो पहले तो खुद ही हेजिटेशन के मारे किसी को बताता नहीं है, शेयर नहीं करता, क्योंकि ऐसे प्राइवेट पार्ट्स में होता है. नीचे ग्रॉइन एरिया, हिप एरिया, अंडर आर्म्स एंड फीमेल्स में ब्रेस्ट एरिया में भी होता है. टिल टुडे डॉक्टर्स टेक ओथ इन द नेम ऑफ हिपोक्रेट्स, but very rarely they educate that these lifestyle diseases are due to poor eating habits and poor lifestyle choices.